Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Feng Shui, an ancient practice that can help you create harmony and balance in your home and life. Let's explore the 5 elements of Feng Shui and how you can use them to transform your space. Feng Shui is based on the 5-element system from Taoist philosophy. These elements, earth, metal, water, wood, and fire, represent different qualities and can enhance your environment. First up is earth. This element relates to self-care and nourishment, represented by earthy colors like yellow, orange, and brown, along with square shapes. Try adding a square yellow rug or a solid rectangular desk to your space for that grounding energy. Next is metal, which embodies joy and precision. It's linked to colors like white and gray and features circular shapes. Consider incorporating a round metallic planter or a sleek light fixture to bring in the metal element. Water symbolizes wisdom and connection. It's represented by dark colors like black and deep blue and has wavy shapes. A small water fountain or artwork featuring flowing water can invite this calming energy into your home. Moving on to wood, which represents growth and vitality. Think greens and blues along with tall shapes. Bring in some green houseplants to add life and vitality to your space. Finally, we have fire, which is all about passion and inspiration. It's represented by fiery colors like red and bright orange and triangle shapes. Bright lamps or candles can really ignite the fire element in your home. Now, let's talk about the commanding position and essential Feng Shui principle. Make sure your bed, desk, and stove are placed so that you can see the door while not being directly in line with it. This helps you feel secure and aware of opportunities coming your way. Let's go room by room for some practical Feng Shui tips. First, the entryway is the mouth of key. Keep it clean and clutter-free, and ensure your front door is easy to find. A bright light fixture can also enhance this area. In your living room, create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Arrange seating to face each other, promoting connection. And don't forget to add some green plants for a boost of life force. The kitchen represents nourishment, so keep your fridge tidy. Clear out expired items to create a space that encourages healthy eating. Bathrooms can drain energy, so keep the door and toilet seat closed. This simple action can help maintain the flow of wealth in your life. Finally, in your bedroom, ensure your bed is in the commanding position. Check under the bed, avoid clutter, and stick to soft items like sheets. Adding an earth-colored rug can provide support and nourishment. And that's a wrap on our Feng Shui basics. By incorporating these elements and tips, you can create a harmonious space that promotes well-being and balance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use Feng Shui in your home. See you next time.